Winter's approaching and the chill has started to creep into the houses. If you've been thinking about upgrading your heating setup to something smarter and more efficient, then you've clicked the right video. And if your home uses baseboard heaters or fan-forced heating systems, finding a compatible smart thermostat can be tough. Most of these systems only use 2 wires, and a lot of smart thermostats just don't play nice with that. That's why, in this video, I'm going through the 7 best smart thermostats that are actually worth it. From top-rated models to some hidden gems that make heating your home way easier and more efficient. You'll find links to the best prices for all the smart thermostats mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these smart thermostats aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 7 is the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This thermostat will give you the benefits of a smart thermostat without paying top dollar. It covers all the basics and saves energy bills too. It also connects easily with your smart devices. You can save up to 23% a year on heating and cooling costs because it automatically adjusts when you're away and keeps things cozy when you're home. It works with 85% of HVAC systems, so chances are it'll fit right in with your setup. The touchscreen is simple to use, but you can also control it through the ecobee app, Alexa, Google Assistant, or even Siri. Bob puts it as, "We bought several of these ecobees for a commercial building, and they are so great." The app makes it really simple to control, and you can preset temperatures for multiple units on the same app. You can also set heat and cooling limits so they don't cause utility bills to skyrocket. And since it gets free software updates, it'll keep improving over time without you lifting a finger. Installation is easy enough to do yourself. If your home doesn't have a C-wire, ecobee sells a small power extender kit to make things work smoothly. And if you care about how it looks, you can grab a trim plate to cover up any wall marks for a cleaner finish. It also supports ecobee's smart sensor. It helps balance temperatures in different rooms so your bedroom doesn't feel like the Arctic while your living room feels like a sauna. Overall, it's one of the smartest, low-cost upgrades you can make for your home, and that's what makes this thermostat a real steal. Number 6 is the Amazon Smart Thermostat. This is the best option for Alexa users on our list. It's Amazon's own smart thermostat, made in partnership with Honeywell. This one's designed for people who already use Alexa or Echo devices. You can say things like, "Alexa, set the temperature to 72," and it'll adjust instantly. It can also automatically switch between your home, away, and sleep temperatures. Or you can tweak everything from the Alexa app even when you're not home. If you qualify for energy rebates, Amazon even emails you after purchase with details that can drop the cost even lower. The design is simple, just 3 touch dots on the face for basic controls, but the app gives you full scheduling, energy tracking, and temperature range options. Plus, it can link with selected Echo devices or the Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor to adjust heating and cooling based on temperature or presence detection. It's Energy Star certified, which means it can save around $50 a year on your energy bill. Installation is guided step by step through the Alexa app, though a C-wire is required. Overall, if you live in the Alexa ecosystem and want an affordable, reliable way to save energy automatically, the Amazon Smart Thermostat nails it for the price. Number 5 is the Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th generation. This is the best for AI-powered energy savings on our list. If you've ever wished your thermostat could just learn what you like instead of you constantly changing it, this one is worth checking out. It studies your habits, your schedule, and even how the weather outside affects your home's temperature. And over time, it automatically adjusts to keep things comfortable and save you money. You can control everything from the Google Home app or just use your voice with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. It's Matter compatible, so it works smoothly with most smart home systems, and it doesn't even need a C-wire in most homes, which makes DIY installation pretty simple. Now it comes with a Nest temperature sensor, which you can place in another room to manage hot or cold spots. You can even tell it what temperature the room should reach at specific times. The design is sleek, with a 60% larger display that lights up when you walk by. It shows your temperature, weather, or even a clock, and the brightness adjusts automatically based on the room's lighting. It can also help you save around 12% on heating and 15% on cooling costs, which adds up fast. Overall, if you want a thermostat that's not just smart, but actually thinks for you, the Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Gen is hard to beat. Number 4 is the Honeywell Home T9 Smart Thermostat with Sensor. This is the best thermostat for remote room monitoring on our list. If you have one room that's always colder than the rest of the house, this thermostat can finally fix that problem. The T9 comes with a smart room sensor that can tell where people are in the house and adjust the temperature to focus comfort there. You can even add more sensors later if you want multiple rooms to stay perfectly balanced. The sensors have an impressive range of up to 200 feet, so even if your rooms are far apart, it still works smoothly. And they don't just detect motion, they detect if someone's actually in the room, so your system doesn't turn on just because someone walked by. You can control everything from the Residio app or just use your voice through Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. The touchscreen is simple to use and setup is beginner-friendly. It even comes with a power adapter that works as a C-wire alternative and fits most homes without hassle. It's also compatible with gas, oil, or electric systems, not just baseboard heaters. And if you join your local utility's demand response program, you can even earn rewards for letting it slightly tweak your settings during high energy hours. Overall, if you want a smart thermostat that can monitor different rooms and actually learn your comfort patterns, the Honeywell T9 is a practical pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the smart thermostats discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you could hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat ST76. This is the best touchscreen thermostat on our list. This one's for people who like things simple, smart, and clean looking. It has a bright display, a color touchscreen that is responsive, clear, and easy to read, even from across the room. You can just tap the screen to adjust the temperature or switch between heating and cooling. It connects to Wi-Fi, so you can control everything right from your phone using the Sensi app. You can also control it through voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant, and since it's Energy Star certified, it can help you save around 23% a year on heating and cooling costs by automatically adjusting temps when you're away. And if you want more personalization, it offers a lot of features. You can set flexible schedules, get maintenance reminders, and even see detailed usage reports to track how much energy you're saving. Plus, it sends you smart maintenance alerts that warn you if your HVAC system isn't running efficiently. It also works with Sensi room sensors that are sold separately. They help balance the temperature in different rooms so your whole home stays comfortable. Setup is DIY friendly too. The app walks you through each step with Bluetooth guidance. Just keep in mind, a C-wire is required. Michael wrote, "This device is 100% better than my old thermostat. It has great features. Installation was really easy due to the very detailed instructions, which also provided help with any problems that you might encounter. You can set options directly on the thermostat or through the app. Every option is available either way, and if privacy matters to you, Sensi makes it clear they don't sell your personal info to anyone." Overall, it's a solid pick if you want a smart thermostat that's both sleek and seriously capable. Number 2 is the Sinope TH1123WF Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat. This is the best option on our list for line voltage heating systems like baseboards, convectors, or fan-forced heaters. Now, most smart thermostats need 3 or 4 wires to work, but this one runs perfectly on just 2 wires. That makes a great difference if your home uses older-style heaters that normally can't handle modern smart thermostats. You don't need a C-wire or any extra parts. Just connect it and you're good to go. It connects directly to your Wi-Fi, so you can control the temperature from anywhere using the free Nevi Web app. From your phone, you can set schedules, tweak the temperature, or even use geofencing. It automatically lowers the heat when you leave and turns it back up when you're heading home. Inside the app, you can also track your energy usage and savings through the Eco Sinope feature. It helps you monitor consumption and even earn rewards with certain utility programs. It's also compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings, so voice control is easy. You can set temperature limits, lock the screen to keep kids from changing settings, and choose between short or long heating cycles depending on your setup. Design-wise, it's sleek, modern, and fits neatly on your wall without looking bulky. Overall, it's one of the smartest and most affordable upgrades for homes with baseboard or line voltage heating systems. Number 1 is the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. This is the best overall thermostat on our list. This is a smart thermostat that does everything from saving money to monitoring your air quality. It's sleek, modern, and built with premium zinc alloy that reflects your room's color tones and gives it a clean, high-end look on your wall. It has a big, bright touch screen that's easy to use, showing your current and target temperatures clearly. And it comes with a smart sensor that adjusts the temperature in the rooms that matter most and keep you comfortable everywhere, not just near the thermostat. Plus, it can save you up to 26% a year on energy bills, and it even pauses your heating or cooling automatically if a door or window is left open for more than 5 minutes. It also tracks your air quality, warning you when things get stuffy and reminding you when it's time to change your air filter. It also works with Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, and Apple HomeKit. Like other options on our list, it even has a built-in speaker so you can ask questions, control your home, or play music right through it. Overall, with its wide range of smart features, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is an impressive deal for what it offers. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect thermostat. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each thermostat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.